welcome back to my channel, me Vasu. I have created a party look with silver and black eyeshadow. It is a good combination with black for night parties especially. So today I have created the same look. Let's start. I prepped up with my face makeup and my lips as well. Usually I go with my lipstick at the end of my makeup, but today I just wanted to show you all the eye makeup look that I'm planning to create. I used my lipstick at the starting, but let's start. I'm using my e.l.f. eye primer. Eye primers keep the eyeshadow in place and they also prevent them from fading and smudging. Completed prepping my eyes. I will be using my e.l.f. eyeshadow palette and I will create the base look with one of the light nude shades, and then I will start adding the black eyeshadow to my eyes. I'm using this base color. This is a shade which almost blends into my skin tone. This is a fluffy brush that I'm using from Calabar. We have black color. So I'll just start it with blending this. I'll apply this as a V shape at the corners, and then in the crease area I will create a line. I'm cleaning up the extra eyeshadow that came out of the V shape and trying to create the wing liner look here. I'm applying the eyeshadow to my other eye with the same process. Applying my white eyeshadow, I forgot to show the eyeshadow which I am using, but before I proceed with my other eye, I will show you the shade. I have some glitters from Wet n Wild. I am using that. To get the little bit of glitter glow, I am using this. As this is a nighttime party look that I am creating, these glitters will add more brightness and glam to your eyes and you would look beautiful. Now let us clean up this because we have some shade at the down and at the edges. Whatever I feel which is an extra and I don't need it as part of the look, I would be using this Garnier Micellar water, and with a cotton bud I am removing all of the extras. I'm using very little bit. I will complete the look with the eyeliner, mascara and the false lash. You can even watch the videos of how to apply eyeliner, mascara and false lashes. I have a complete playlist for eye tutorials. I will add the link here as well. Today I am using Eyelure London Lengthening Lashes. I just wanted to give a try. This is how they look. Even these look very much natural, and they have even included eyelash glue as well. I'm done applying with my eyelashes. As you all know, to complete the look, we'll apply some powder to the areas that we have just removed the eye shade and all. I'm applying the mascara for my lower lashes. Done! I will complete the look with my all-nighter setting spray. I'll change my earrings as well. I feel like I'm into the party mood already. Earrings I have ordered from Shein. Oh, I forgot to mention, even my top is from Shein. We'll try to do a Shein haul as well. There are small mistakes while we do our makeup, and we have our Garnier micellar water to help us, and using a bud you can always create the shape and look you want. Hope I made it easy. Wishing you and all your families an advance Happy New Year. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, me, Vasu. See you all in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and look glamorous, be healthy.